Hello guys, Sarvana here again. Today we are going to see professional cloud architect that's provided by GCP certification. Uh, we we are going to understand how to pass the exam strategically, right? And for this exam preparation, the duration it depends on your prior experience. So it will take 8 months to 18 months. It may go beyond that also. So all based on your prior experience. This page is intended for students or tech-savvy who would like to pass or overcome their daunting experience of studying cloud architect. Basically, this is to motivate them who got stuck or at some point of time it will be very intimidating to move on. So that's why this video is intended to motivate them. Here is the link for exam guide. And this, when you click this one, this is the page it will come here, and professional cloud architect exam guide, certification exam guide, and it will give sample case studies, and or it'll talk about all the topics like designing and planning a cloud solution architecture, and it has subtopics until 1.5. Envisioning future solution improvements considerations include cloud and technology improvements, business needs evolution, evangelism, and advocacy. Similarly, there are almost six topics: managing and provisioning a solution infrastructure and its subtopics, and designing for security and compliance. And fourth topic, analyzing and optimizing technical and business processes. Fifth topic, managing implementation. And sixth topic, ensuring solution and operations reliability. And it will have its. So basically, this is the key link that you may have to find out for the exam in the exam guide for the preparation, right? You might have gone through, whoever is on half of the way, right? So first thing is, first, what is it? You have to do the groundwork. This is for the people who start to do intend to do the preparation for the professional cloud architect exam. So the first thing is, do not hurry to get certified. Thorough understanding will get you to pass. So that's the key word, that just if you want to pass only for the exam, but this video is not the intended to get just passed. And this will, the way, the steps and strategy that it has been put together here is to get the job or who wants to move forward after getting the certification. So only if you want to get certified, because this is not the good video, you can stop over here. Okay, so let's see. What is it? First thing first, select online course classes with your choice, because it will induce you to go through the exam guide a couple of times to choose the correct course, and importantly as per your budget. Some people may be ready to spend $40 per month, so on and so forth, and some people may not ready to spend that much. So there are many outlets available: Coursera, Udemy, Linux Academy, so on and so forth. So choose according to your need. Second thing is the planning time management, right? Take your own time and plan to read all the topics outlined in the exam guide. That is, as I said, topic 6, ensuring solution operations reliability. It may take 3 days to you, and similarly, you manage all the topics to get it covered, right? So, depending on your capacity, the first round you may complete within 3 months to 6 months. Let's move on to the third one. That's a case studies or use cases, which it has clearly given you the what case studies. So, this is very important. They have outlined here: Mount Kirk Games, Dress for Win, Terramere. These are all the three case studies you have to go through, right? And you have to understand what each case study is from, which is the industry, and what is the existing technical environment, business requirements, and which service model is required for migration. Like, for example, if you take the Dress for Win is for the hybrid cloud, and um, um, this one, Mount Kir Games, is for the multi-cloud purpose. So like that, you may have to understand and prepare cheat sheets accordingly. Fourth thing, labs. That's how you have to do. You have to get a lot of hands-on labs to get wet your hands. Fifth one needs strategy. That is to pass the exam. What is it? Why we require it? Because the without strategy, uh, getting certification from this Google Cloud is very difficult. And I have given you the strategies how you can use that below the below line that we will go through in a bit. So if you have not understood the cloud services or resources as per situation based or use cases based, this exam will give you hard time, as I said. As the old saying goes, practice questions is the best way to move forward with strategically understanding questions, answers, cloud services, resources, and align them as per situation. Here are the strategies to follow. What you should do. The step one, as we already gone through, cover all the topics in the exam guide that outlined in professional cloud architect exam guide, right? The second step, order reliable practice questions as per your choice. Better with six practice question is better. That's how I will go with it. You will understand why in a bit. Step three, that is you register yourself a date for fresh practice questions, not for the registering your the real examination. I'm talking about register yourself a date for fresh practice questions so that you will give the mock of the examination what you are going to do in the final exam, right? Fine. You did it but failed with 32 percentage. Do not worry, move on with the below steps. Follow step one, that is you have to do again the same exam. You have to go through and study the documents and everything, understand why you chose wrong answers, right? And read about its related articles, documents, and practice labs again. Okay, now you did it. Now, step five. Now, time for another practice question. Again, you may fail. Do not worry. Move on with below steps. Fail in the sense, here it is minimum 80 percentage is required. I don't know how the Google evaluate, but most of from their other uh, mm, others when I surf with the other when I was trying to do my examination, people said 80% is the minimum pass. So that's why I say like I give it greater than 80 percentage for the step 6. Follow step 4 and 5. If you failed again in the step 5, do not worry. So that is step 4 and 5 is that you have to go through again the exam guide, read the articles, documents, and why you chose wrong answers. That is how it will induce you to understand and read more and more, and you will be updated with the important important technical stuffs like DR, high availability, whatever it is, right? So now you did the step 6, but you ran out of practice question. You could not get again greater than 85 questions and you could not succeed with the greater. Do not worry, follow below steps. What is it? This time you have to do reverse engineering with the questions. That means read questions instead of selecting correct answer from options. Find the reason to strike out wrong options, which will tend you to read new articles or documents and more labs. So reverse engineering in the sense that in the first time you may be while you are doing, you will read the question and then take the correct answer. Right now, this time don't do that. You just instead of selecting the correct answer, find the reason to strike out the wrong answers, wrong options in the in the available from the available options. So that's how it is meant to be. So step 8, once you complete above steps, you will get turbocharged. Now fix the date for the exam. Hold on, do not register yet because as per step 6, you have one fresh practice question left. Complete that final fresh practice questions. At this moment, I'm pretty sure you will get greater than 90 percentage and get confidence to register the exam. If in doubt, follow steps 1 to 7. Step 10, good luck and register the exam and update me on your experience. Thank you.